late night. Asia session. Screens glow soft, Tokyo awake. Coffee on the desk, charge don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Hands stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the move. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, chart second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored.
What's up, Savage?
What's going on? Ready for another good day?
And it's gonna be another great day. Dog even agrees.
Bro, yeah, they couldn't wait.
What a pump from Nvidia this afternoon, huh? Nvidia had earnings today. We have a nice push-up going on right now. I know you got your charts up. I'm trying to find something here that I found on my other chart, and I'm trying to see where I found it, because I got a shirt from we got a shirt
Yeah, see, I got, I'm just looking at the daily chart right now, especially with this pump up, conflicted, because I'm going to see this gap get filled, but at the same time, I have a nice short sitting right up here at this 29,780 level, which coincides with, it's just about the 61.8 retracement, from the low to the highs up here.
Okay.
So, for me, that is a prime short. Now, a plus short would be if there was this wick was up into the fair value gap here somewhere. So that's like an A short, and A plus would have been up a little bit higher. This zone here. But, just peeking at it now. We're only another 100 points away from touching it, so. Might be worthwhile waiting for that to take back down. Yeah, it's just pumping.
I got a short coming though. I know yours is a little bit higher. So I have a short. I have a short coming up out here at the 694, 695 area. Got a sell order for 691 right now. Yeah, I like this area. It's a. Let me go find it in this other chart because I have it marked out. Oh, and it's probably May 20th, 2026 is where I'm getting this level from.
Oh, that's back there.
Yeah. Yeah, so I would love to see this here. I'm gonna put fills. I'll put a TP there to get previous day high. And that's going to be my trade for the night right there. That's going to be my trade here for tonight. Hoping everybody in chat had a good day. What's up, Nitty? How's it going? Good to see you, man. Still sitting here waiting on your call, but you know, said I'll call you right back.
I heard Nitty guy got his brain on 3D printing stuff. So.
Yeah, Nitty. Savage is going to need some help on selecting a 3D printer, so maybe after the stream, you can get ahead and get on Discord and you can walk him through that. Nitty is a 3D printer king. I can't speak all of a sudden.
Yeah. Well, I've seen his payout, so I kind of imagine what his printer's going to look like.
So, I don't like to put people's business out there, but in the Discord, we had somebody yesterday purchase one of those 250K Topstep evaluations and literally passed it in 1 day, Savage. They bought it in the afternoon, played it before the market closed, made 7,500. The market opened, they made the other 7,500. So now they're funded with a 250K 1 day trade. So
It's wild.
yeah,
That person's name wouldn't happen to have a color in it, would it?
I don't think so. I don't
Like
think
red,
so.
purple, or blue, maybe? We don't
Yeah.
want to because it's like,
So that was pretty good. That was pretty good to see that. So I'm waiting on my short to see if it wiggles to the top side. I know we just opened at the Asia market, but I got to get my water.
what's up, JD?
Stay clean, stay sharp,
You good?
stay seen. We don't chase, we
We're
don't
slow
fold,
like that right
we
here.
build.
Ooh. Apex payout 4K 21 days. That's wild.
Thousands loud, the room is moving. Highly favored. Faith in the work, and we keep improving.
When I am watching this, if we do break VWAP on the, let me see where it's at on the bottom, because I do want that gap filled. So break VWAP here and hold on the VWAP, which would be around the 600 zone. I'll go ahead and take the sell down and become like $1,500.
That's
waiting for
wild.
this pop.
Yeah. Hey, Brick, I got JD. He just got his $4,000 payout through Apex in Discord.
Oh,
And,
let's go, JD.
It took him 20-something days through Apex to actually get him paid out.
20-something days. Listen,
Apex is as big as they are. That is their biggest downfall. Is the speed of payments.
listen.
I mean, they have some tough plans, but that payout that hurts. I gotta wait that one.
That's so wrong. That's so wrong because it stops you from trading that account for that amount of time, right? So
Yeah, they take the money out right away, but it just takes forever for them to come through and fund you.
gotcha.
I mean, you can blow that account and then pass 3 other ones and get payments and still not have the money in.
Yeah. Wow.
We rise, we hold, we prove it.
For real.
Right mind, right movement. One trade at a time.
So yeah, man, I'm over here getting ready for this last couple days of before my trip. So For those of you on the stream, please like the stream, share the stream, trying to get to 500 followers. And if those of you taking payouts off the stream or on the Discord, guess what? I'm going on a missions trip. Feel free to donate everything you want.
Everything you want. Everything. Keyword. You are going for a good cause.
I am going for a good cause. That's why I want to vlog it off.
I got a good camera for it. Cool.
Bro, wait. Oh.
You got another watch. That would keep time out there. I passed 2 FFF accounts today. I just activated those as funded. Thank you, bro. I got, oh shoot, I didn't even pay attention to that. These are my $15 accounts. So it's $15 all in, no activation fee. They are one of the hardest accounts that I've ever traded because they have a $1,200 trailing draw that follows you every bit of the way. So even after you I've taken 2 payouts off one of the funded accounts before, and I was just looking at my dashboard. I was up like $28,000. So 8. What is it? I have to look at it again. But I was up pretty large, and I hit minus $1,200, and it blew me out. Even though I was still in big green profits on the account.
So check this out. You know that I was asking, Savage knows because he follows, we're friends on Facebook. So I was asking if anybody had a camera that I can use for the trip, for the vlogging trip, and this one came, right? And then 2 days later, somebody dropped this off. So we'll be double vlogging. With a
You
pocket
got 2?
4. I got a pocket 4 and a pocket 3. So now you're gonna catch both angles.
Well, so what you need to do is post a short video on like, let's compare these video cameras.
Oh, you know what? That might get a bunch of views. Yeah, you're right. So just hoping that I don't break none of these because these are expensive cameras.
Oh, looking at them, I know what they cost.
No, I'm not going to strap one to nobody else because I am responsible for these. Somebody breaks them, then I'm the sole responsible person. So. But yeah, look, if we break here,
We're breaking a Tory trend line right now.
we break this little area here, I'm going to short this on the retest because look, we had support here. I had a zone right before the earnings of Nvidia, which looking back at this now, I can see that it actually hit my proprietary line during 5 minutes before they came out and said something about their earnings. So that would have been a great long right there, the proprietary, and then shot up. You could have made,
a lot of money.
50 points from now, but since this is support, I'm gonna wait on this here. I need the break and the retest of it, and then we're gonna short this thing.
Yeah, I want this now. I'll wait for the retest. You get a trend line if you form up. Well, I guess it's not very much. We're in 5 minutes. Yeah, it's
Thousands loud, the room is moving. Highly favored,
sink a doom, doom, doom. Where's this brick box at tonight?
Wait, it's about to be formed. Wait, you see this?
There's that gap down here.
You see this? Look. I wanna put it here, and actually, oh my God, this is lining up so beautifully. So let me put this here for now. I'm gonna chase this short down, and some people might be already in the short. Right? Some people might already be in the short. They know how I trade. They might already be in the short, but
We move in perfect time.
yeah, see, somebody's already in the short where I want to be in the short, right? Which is at 29,600, but at the retest.
Watch the discipline burn.
There it is. There it is. Somebody's in 25 minis in the Discord right now.
He just made another 10 grand. There's 20, 25. He's printing.
We rise, we hold, we prove it.
Let's just see what that would
Right hand, right mind, right movement.
do. 25 minis from 600. Maybe 10 grand right there. $10,500. Look at that minis.
Yeah, that's what he's in right now. He's halfway to the payout. I guarantee you. All right, here we go.
The 25 minis from the top to where it's at now. That's it. 3,000. You just lost $7,000 in a repo. Yeah, my heart can't handle it. That's like, yeah.
Oh, give me 1 second. Yeah, that's my sell limit, but yeah.
March on, stay clean, stay sharp, stay seen. We don't chase, we don't fold, we build. Thousands loud, the room is moving. Highly favored. Faith in the work, and we keep improving.
Alright. Let's get this thing to dump. Max are pushing down, EMA's down. And Eddie, I use the 13 and 48 EMAs for when I look at that. For some reason, I can't get them to pull up my Topstep because that allows me 2 indicators on this chart. So I have a secondary chart over here.
1, 2, tick, tick, heart.
I'm at a small position too, only risking like $80 or
Seats,
140.
rising spark. Hands steady on the wheel, eyes locked on the line. No rush, no wasting motion.
Yeah.
We move in perfect time. Paper, plan, and patience. Every step gets heard. Quiet in
Was that take profit trader? Yeah. Yeah, don't use it, especially for copy trading. Sorry, my little one's going haywire out there.
We don't fold, we build. Thousands loud, the room is moving. Highly favored. Faith in the work, and we keep improving.
I might adjust my zone here a little bit. I'll take profit and stop loss. Easy, how far are you holding down to? What are you looking at? Everybody's gap? Yeah. Yeah, the MACDs are starting to turn a little bit on the 2 minute to go to the up north side. I'd like to see if this comes back up to this 584. I may take another short right there.
2.
My stop loss up a little higher.
Tick, heartbeat in the dark. Far seats, rising spark.
They say you put your stop loss where your entry should be. So I'm gonna move my stop and put my entry there.
Eyes locked on the line. No rush, no wasting motion. We move in
Put your entry where your stop loss would be, I guess.
Whew. I didn't see my mic muted on the audio mixer, and I'm like, oh man, did that whole conversation go off the air? I was gonna delete the whole live. No, but it didn't. So you were in a short? Nitty's
Yeah,
in
I'm
a
in
short?
a short. I don't know if Nitty's still in, but he was in. I'm in a short, and I got 2 more contracts at 585.
Okay. I moved mine down now to 594. Want to get it. I want this retest. See, what happens is, the way I've seen the market is, when it breaks the VWAP, eventually it has to come up and retest it to be a clean break, right? But right now we're rejecting Asia low. So this can really continue to move down into the gap from here. So I'm kind of tempted to start getting into position. Because I really don't want to miss this move, if I'm honest with you guys. So I'm going to try to see if I get a wick into the test there, into the orb low, and then I'm going to average into this. Here, I'll take 2 there at the bottom of this support zone here. And then I'll take my last trade. Right at the VWAP test. So I do want 5 contracts in, but but I'll take this retest, and it's actually losing. I'm looking at my other chart, and it's losing a lot of support here, right here, right now. But I gotta trust the trade, so this is what I'm looking at for right now. I know Savage is in the short. A few other people are already in the short in the Discord.
But it's funny. Your initial 2-lot entry is what my initial entry is. Your add into your position is exactly where my add is. 29,585.
Oh snap!
One more, just barely above it, 29,589.
To go.
So you're lined up where I'm at, which I like your initial entry because it's based on the 5-minute wick of this previous candle over here.
Yep.
So,
which actually lines up with Asia low right there, right? So yeah, that's why I want to take that there. I'm gonna be a little patient. I didn't get to trade today. Running around showing homes. Got a home on the contract that I had fell off. Feel so bad for these clients, right? They had fell off. We had a closing due for next week, and that closing fell through. They're literally homeless, desperate, didn't know what to do. You know, the wife is pregnant. They have a little 8-month-old, and they were desperate, man. And today we got them an absolute killer deal on a home. So hopefully this gets closed within 2.5 weeks. We're trying to push for 2.5 weeks closing. And those of you that know the industry know that a 2.5 week closing normally
should be in.
Is not possible. Yes, I am in. I am in right now.
You got 9 seconds to get your other candle filled here.
Yeah.
Watch the discipline burn. One trade at a time. Faith, discipline.
Let's see what this does at just 80. Come on, reject it. Go Bert first, then reject.
We rise, we hold, we prove it.
So go up out of mine if it goes up. A little bit of down draw. I want it to go up, and it is thundering like crazy. And
yeah,
I need to get a UPS back.
today too.
You know what? That's what I need is a UPS backup for my desktop. I don't got one.
UPS? You should try FedEx.
FedEx is backed up more.
What is the UPS? What is the UPS backup?
Huh?
What is the UPS backup? You're talking like one of those big power block things?
Yeah, United. United. Universal Power Supply.
Okay.
They run
At least it filled you.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. So if anybody staggered their entries or looked at what Savage was had going on, we are in there. Look at this dump. Look at this dump. Guys, I want this down to previous day close. It's only 568. So that'll make it good for a 1 day trade. Here we go.
Good.
We are in the short. With 10,000 profit or what? Let's go.
Feel it. That's day one. Lock it up. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, you got to do $1,000 a day in order to do that.
Is it? Yeah, do you know if it's 5 days? Is that what it is?
We are just patiently waiting.
Yeah, buddy. Sometime tonight it will. I think. If not New York session, it will. Gaps love to get filled. We have some zones to the north side that could be hit that I was marking out earlier. 29, 780 is the one that I would like. If it hits that for big rejection. And I'm gonna put right on it short me.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again.
Let's see.
Tokyo lights on the glass.
Anybody in the chat got any questions? Anything? Say hi. Say something. Let us know you're here. Say something,
Yeah,
guys.
let's fill up this box.
Come on. Got one person that said hi, and that was it. What is that? This is the HFT chat. We should do better.
Hi, Blue. Blue and I are battling for the number one spot. Yeah, let's be cautious right here. We got the EMAs. The 13 EMA coming up here, sitting at 585. Just tapped it, came down a little bit, 582.
Yeah, this 15-minute looks kind of wonky.
Quiet in my chest, still like the edge of
Let's see, 30-minute is looking good.
No fear in the pause.
The trading view, I have a level at 580, at 29, 558, 75.
I've seen the
fast ones fall. I don't know what that's from.
So here we go. The trade is cooking. The trade is cooking.
I'm gonna close one of my positions out at 51, and then basically break even with the other one. Just let it roll all the way down to looking at 29, 444.
Oh wow! Look at this! Look at this push. I'm a little upset that the rest of my orders didn't get put in. I really wanted that retest up there, but I was not missing this trade. The object is not to miss the trade, even if it doesn't get you with all of your positions. The object is you trade the trade and don't miss it. Here we go, push down.
If it breaks, I breathe. A calm hand beats a pen
142 points. 142 points.
So I closed one of my positions out. I'm letting the other one sit. Basically, it gave me a break-even trade.
Oh yeah.
So if it hits my stop loss, I'm good. And I'm gonna put my order back in here. So like that is the retest.
This thing ain't hitting no stop loss. Look at this thing go. Did anybody else see this? Anybody else see something similar? And anybody else in it? So put it in the chat. Anybody else in this trade right here, right now? My other orders didn't get triggered in.
JD just don't hit reverse.
But up $100. We got the 538. Look at this push, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys.
He's popping over here. Did he get up another 1,000? Nice.
Look at this push down. Look at this push down.
You're a beast.
We're gonna see a small hesitation at 538. But oh, look at this, guys. Look at this push. Look at this push. Look at this push, guys. Come on. I would have been up over $500 if it would have filled the rest.
Watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way.
This is where I need the market to continue to flush at, right here at this zone, 538. We could see a little stall out here, but let's go. Let's push this thing.
What looks like nothing now turns into gold.
Gap fill is in the horizon, guys. And I'll tell you what, once we hit that gap fill, I'm reversing and going long and strong. And I'll risk, you know, 150 bucks or so of the profits to get it. So
one clean level ahead. I can feel it now. Quiet in my chest.
see this push down. Keep going. Let me go see what Nvidia is doing. Let me see if this is caused by Nvidia. Oh, Nvidia put in a nasty wick all of a sudden. Let me see if it shows it on this.
Nasty to the south side?
Yeah, oh, it doesn't show it here. Actually, yeah, it doesn't show it. But I use another platform for stocks, and it shows me some of the dark pool prints that go on, and it has a nice wick down. So here we go.
8 seconds left. 4 seconds left on this 5-minute candle.
Tank it.
Okay, I think I'm gonna adjust my just for the I'm on a small challenge account. So I'm gonna take my profit at 514. I have a level there.
Okay.
So you can see over here where we had a lot of volume and it rejected. So I like this gap fill down, but I'm just gonna take my money where I can. And it'll give me about 200 bucks for the night on this account.
So I've already moved my stop into profits, 86 bucks, 558.25, right at this wick here. So just in case it comes back up, I give up 50% of my profits, but just protecting the entry, not taking a red trade today. Here we go. Here we go. Patient trader writes the story, guys.
It is. Good song.
Yeah, it's a nice song.
Yeah, I thought of some new stuff earlier today. I'm gonna start scripting up.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Type 1 in the chat, 2 in the chat, 3 in the chat. Type anything in the chat if you in this trade. Dump this trash, Nitty says. I need that 517. Now you're gonna get that and a lot more. Look, it's about to hit you now, but you're gonna get that and a lot more. Look at what the proprietary is sitting. Look at what the proprietary is sitting. How much you up? Let's go.
3 grand. It'd be nitty.
Look at this. Look at this. but here's the thing, right? Collectively, that becomes a community account because you're trading it with Signal. So that's a community account. So I'm gonna put my Cash App out here. Y'all hit the Cash App up. Nobody loves the way the patient trader writes the story before they sell it.
I'm gonna go tag. I'm gonna go tag Michael Patak and tell him he's looking for new affiliates. We're gonna get Nitty up rolling up in here.
Right there, guys. I'm moving my stop down to 540.25. That secures 158 on the 2 contracts. But we're looking for the whole thing. But we're gonna see what it does here when it hits the proprietary, right? Because that's the open, right? It's gonna test the day's open and the proprietary are lining up right there. So this right now is a WW trade right here. Past the builder MFF. Look at this, guys. Come on. Everybody's eating, and look at me just trading little pennies compared to the people. Here we go. Getting a little reaction here.
Yeah, I closed out of my trade. I'm up just about 200 for the night on that.
Let's go. Yep, here's the reaction preemptively before the zone. So let's see. I'll take the 158. Somebody said in the Discord, you know, oh yeah, that's good. You're up 300. Now imagine if I was in what you normally trade, which is 2 minis, 3 minis. That would have been up what, 2-3 grand right there. Just trust the trade, and that's the thing. When I trade minis, I tend to secure profits a little bit quicker. On micros, I can let it stretch its legs and do what it has to do, have the minor pullbacks. When I'm in minis, these micro pullbacks, they shake me out just because I don't want to see hundreds go back into the pool, right? I want to keep all of that in my pocket, so I trade them a little bit more aggressively, shorter moves. This thing is wide open to the downside though, wide open. Rev must be sleeping.
Yup. He drew his box earlier and walked away.
Oh, did he draw a brick box?
Yeah, he posted in chat. He said it's been hanging tight in there all day.
Oh, but he posted that thing, what, 8:20 this morning?
Oh, is that what that was?
Yeah.
I just now saw it.
So interesting fact, right? I won't name the streamer because I don't want to shout out any other streamers, which is shouting myself out, right? Because this is a streamer that's never used boxes for trading. And 2 days ago, they put a reel out, or short, whatever you want to call it, and they said, have you ever traded in a box? Mind you that this streamer has thousands upon thousands upon thousands of followers.
Yep.
And all of a sudden, they've been trading for like 9 or 10 years, and all of a sudden, you want to trade a box? I don't think so. I think he found the brick box. He saw the stream, he found the brick box, and he's going to learn how to use it. So I'm just saying, I'm just putting it out there. That we know, right? But there's something to this. I better hurry up and get this thing trademarked before anything else.
The brick box. We can make a indicator on TradingView, the brick box.
Oh my God, we can. Oh man, guys, look at this 15-minute candle. That's so beautiful. Look, here comes the extra push. Here comes
Somebody
the next
come look
leg
at this.
down. Yeah, I might have missed yesterday. Thanks, Savage, for holding it down. I was working on a starter for my wife's car, but doesn't matter if you miss a day in the market. You make it all back up in one trade.
Yep, that's exactly how you're supposed to do it, too. Right?
Oh, wait. Oh, man. Another emergency.
Seen the fast ones fall, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the way. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The way slips, I smile. If it breaks, I breathe. A calm hand beats a panic every time for me. Now the line is near, and I don't blink.
It's just a lot of volume to purchase, or it could be a lot of sell stops there, or buy stops there. Or it could be people, I don't know, looking to close. There's a lot of volume there, the way I read it, but I'm not super up to date on it.
Nobody loves the way the patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win.
Right. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're filling that box.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. One clean lever ahead. I can feel it now. Quiet in my chest, still like the edge of town. No fear in the pause. No need to chase.
Right.
I let the market come, I let it choose the pace. I've seen the fast.
First moving his profit down to $318 profit. He's about to hit 561 bucks here.
What looks like nothing now.
Rockets. Get that magnet pulling that down.
Again, the wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the way. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. If it slips, I smile. If it breaks, I breathe. A calm hand beats a panic every time for me. Now the line is near,
What's up, bud?
and I don't blink. What I built in the stillness is everything.
You got a $30 Pokemon? Let me see.
The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win.
My son just pulled a
Everybody loves the move.
little fun Pokemon card. Wanted to show me.
The patient trader writes the story
Kinda cool.
before they celebrate. The wait is where we win.
Let's go. Come on, Brick. You're almost there. Push it. Push it real good. Yeah, hammer it. Get it. Berg's hammering a candle, trying to push it down a little farther. A little harder, Berg. It's almost there.
Silent charts on
Got a minute, 5 seconds left on his candle. Should be able to hit it.
Tokyo lights on the glass, blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe, no rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way, I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move.
Music's too loud.
Nobody loves the wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win.
Or we're just getting excited, pushing down till that gap.
One clean lever ahead. I can feel it now.
I do believe Berg is looking to close this gap fills. Here it comes.
I let the market come, I let it choose the pace. I've seen the
Berg, you're so patient.
seen the loud ones bend.
I'm close. I'm like close enough. I'll just close it.
Now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait
He's on the phone getting hype with whoever's talking to you right now.
everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the wait.
Let's go. Pan, are you trading at all? What, you have any positions or shorts? Yep, so that's what Berg's looking at. He wants to take his profit and bounce straight up. I actually think we might come down a little bit lower than a gap. Come down to around this 29,375. Actually, 29,414 is where I'll take my long.
Trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass, blue in the window. I watch the candles breathe, no rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way, I don't move
Let's go. We got a minute, 28 seconds left on this. Sorry, my kiddo's howling like a puppy over here. Burke's zooming straight in on his charts. Come on, push. Within a tick. Come on, Burke. Push it. Blow. Came within a tick. What's up, Doc? Hola. Oh, I should have just hit you there. Or did you got to close out of your trade? Oh. All right, what do we got going on here? Sorry, 1 second.
fall. Seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. If it slips, I smile. If it breaks, I breathe. A calm hand beats a panic every time for me. Now the line is near, and I don't blink. What I built in the stillness is everything. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fall, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. One clean lever ahead. I can feel it now. Quiet in my chest, still like the edge of town. No fear in the pause, no need to chase. I let the market come, I let it choose the pace. I've seen the fast ones fall, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. If it slips, I smile. If it breaks, I breathe. A calm hand beats a panic every time for me. Now the line is near, and I don't blink. stillness is everything. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves a move. Nobody loves a wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move.
I've been talking this whole time, and my mic has been on mute.
Patient trader writes the story
So
before they celebrate.
I took a trade on my wealth charts account. I went long at 29,440 and closed at 29,460. So
Quiet in my chest,
it's
like the edge of town.
a good 20 points. I did 10 micros, $400. I closed out really quick because the trailing draw is a $1,200 draw, and that's 1/3 of the count, so it's 30%. So I need 2 more days of doing 20 points, and I could take a payout with them. I got 2 funded accounts with them as of today.
What looks like nothing now turns into gold.
So
In the wait is where we win.
Brick is looking good on his trade here.
Everybody loves the move.
Talk about sniping the top and then sniping the bottom.
Patient trader writes the story
Brick's box is on fire.
before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we
Look at that. Somebody come look at that.
if it's
He's gonna add at least another $75 to his trade on it. Minimum.
a calm hand beats a
He's up $143.
time for me.
Crushing it.
Now the line is near, and I don't blink.
Good work, dude.
In the stillness,
He's even multitasking on a telephone. I'd be throwing something.
the wait is where we win. The wait is where we win.
Let's go.
Everybody loves a move. Nobody loves a wait. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win.
You guys have any questions or what you're looking at for trading? Tonight's session's been great.
Silent charts on the screen. Coffee gone cold again. Tokyo lights on the glass. Blue in the window pane. I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way. I don't move first. I've seen the fast ones fold, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold.
Someone come look at this. I'm just pumping.
Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the way. The patient trader writes the story before they celebrate. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win.
At 14.
One clean lever ahead. I can feel it now. Quiet in my chest, still like the edge of town. No fear in the pause, no need to chase. I let the market come, I let it choose the pace. I've seen the fast ones fold, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win.
Let's see.
Everybody loves the move. Nobody loves the way.
50% of this move would fall 29,543. So it'd be a nice move up there. See what this does.
The wait is where we win. If it slips, I smile. If it breaks, I breathe. A calm hand beats a panic every time for me. Now the line is near, and I don't blink. What I built in the stillness is everything. The wait is where
Oh, you got the proprietary blue line.
the wait is where we win. Everybody
What was that, Burke?
move. Nobody loves the way. The patient trader writes the story.
I think I have it on my chart too, but I can't put it up on the screen. It doesn't pop up. Think he's been just showing you what have you been doing with it? I mean, you're probably trading what I notorious for is selling the bottoms and buying the tops. Or are you mainly a New York session trader, or when do you normally hit it?
I watch the candles breathe. No rush in my hands. Price keeps walking my way. I don't
Look at Burke pointing at the blue line. Burke, remove your blue line.
I've seen the fast ones fold, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now
Hide that thing so the market doesn't know it's there.
turns into gold again. The wait is where we win. The wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move. edge of town. No fear in the pause, no need to chase. I let the market come, I let it choose the pace. I've seen the fast ones fold, seen the loud ones bend. What looks like nothing now turns into gold again. The wait is where
All right, come on, do something.
the wait is where we win. Everybody loves the move.
You know what? Part of the thing is like you get the payouts and you get super confident, but the market does change its cycles. Even like Asia session, there'll be times where it's super choppy and everything else. And then like right now, it's you can read the markets really well. You get a lot of movement. I mean, how many times have we had a market that gave us 200 points on like a what do we got here? Roughly an hour. We got 200 points in an hour. Like it's been a long time since Asia's been giving us that. Yeah, we might end up with a chop zone in here within this gap, so the market can find its volume. You know, it's what is your win rate? Do you normally hit, you know, are you an 80% trader or are you a 30% trader? See, I like to scalp too. I'm normally anywhere between 79 to 85% win rate. And my risk reward is negative. So I usually have a greater loss than I win, but I win bet more. Now with your win rate 65, you want to target, you know, at least a 1-to-1 or a greater win than the loss. And the biggest thing with the market, something I've learned, is you want to find your style, find your zone. Rick and I trade very much alike. There are a lot of people out there that can hold trade for 8 hours at a time and not have to worry about anything. I can't. Like you even saw me trading on my charts here a little bit ago, where I took the profits on the way down, and I'm content with it. Made almost $200. And I'm good for the night. I'll flip accounts and be ready to go again. Yeah. And the whole risk to reward. So like, if you constantly are a 1 to 5, like you're risking $100 to make $500, you can have a negative, you can have a losing record. So you can have a win rate of like a 40% win rate, because your wins are much larger than your losses. But as you start shrinking it backwards, and if you have an 80 or 90% win rate, you can have a negative risk to reward ratio. Not so much worry about it. It's just a numbers game. There's I think calculators out there that show you based upon what your R to R is, or you can flip it your win rate, and it shows you what you should kind of be targeting for those. Eventually you just want to see that scale starting to go up, on a nice equity curve. Let's see what this does here. I'm gonna see this pump up. Curious on what this 29,497.75, which is the bottom of that wick where we opened up early this morning, what that does here. You know, I'm a platform trader too. Everyone has their own style. Nitty, who's up here in chat, he passed the new Topstep account in one, I guess 2 trading sessions, but one day. One for New York session starting at 3 o'clock, and then since Asia opened, he hit it again. So he made his 15K in 2 days. Now I'm trading the challenge account, and I'm already on day. What am I at here? Let me look at it. I don't know if I pop it up here or not. I'm on day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on day 6 of trading this. So I take it slow, and my mental thought process is when I'm trading is if it takes me a month to pass an account and get a payout, that is a lot faster than what it was me taking to blow up 10 accounts to get a payout. So I'd rather take one account and take a long time to get there than blow up multiple accounts to get to my end result. That's where I'm at with my spot in trading. I'd rather spend a lot less up front, and then I just add to the accounts as I get it. So I take a payout, then I'll scale in and take that next account another month or 2 to get up there, and then just eventually start scaling my accounts to where they need to be. Oh yeah, pump it. All right, so we're rated at 29,497.75. Like to see what this does here.
Hey, I'm here, but I gotta finish this phone call. But who took all these trades? Who took all these trades? Mundo, I want to address you here in a second.
So I was hitting my other funded account on wealth charts I was trading. Let me see if I can show. Hey Brick, are you still in there? You can
What you need?
drop.
Yeah, I'm trying to
screen
the
if
control
I need
panel if you need to
to.
share something different.
Brick's on the phone. I think he's listening, but
Yeah, I'm here. I can hear you. You can hear me. Wait, is Savage still in the
I'm
Discord?
just sharing a window pane, so it doesn't allow me to pull up my.
Oh, Savage, I've been talking to you in the Discord, but now I got you here in the control room. Never mind. Yeah, what you need me to share?
I'm going to this Mundez trades. Well, I'm going to show kind of like how I trade here.
Yeah, I want to address Mundo's. I'm a prop firm trader, and I try to pass the eval in 2 days so I can get to the funded stage. I go for one big winning day. Mundo's, I've been there. Been wanting to take these big trades, right? Just to get it done, and it creates a bad habit. We already have one in the Discord with a bad habit. Don't need another. But once I started changing my way of trading and thinking of $200 to $300 days, that's all you need, right? Literally, that's all you need is $200 to $300 days. You don't need more than that, and they all add up, right? As you compile that and keep building that buffer, eventually you start getting to the month where now you're taking out $5,000-$6,000 without any issues, because you've got it built up, instead of continuously having to hit a big trade. Like, you don't need that in your life. You know, everybody wants a good trade, but like today, I had a trade that I wanted a 5 lot on. It only picked up 2 lots. Am I going to chase the other 3 lots? No, I just let it ride. And guess what? That 2 lot trade gave me $500. It actually hit CP while I was on the phone, but I stopped out at $500. So since I stopped out at $500, I went around and I had called it before it happened that once it hits the gap fill, I'm going in for the long. I went in for the long and scalped another 100. So $600 in an hour and a half. You know, I'm not a doctor. I don't even got a high school diploma. That's good money for me. Right? So, and I'm content with that. I'm always content with $200 to $300. So now tomorrow, if I lose $200-$300, guess what? I'm still ahead because of what I made today. So I try to take small trades, looking for 100-point moves in the Asia session. I always try to find the 100-point moves, which we had more than that today.
Yeah, you hit about 200,
and that's
on
it.
that.
Yeah, it's, you know, it's simple moves, but I got Savage's screen up so he can share away, and I'll be right back.
Yeah, so this is the Topstep, the challenge account, the 3,000 challenge account. You can see where I'm up $1,100 in total for it. My trade win rate 69%, which is low compared to what I normally at. You will see some of these days I had a lot more trades than I normally should take, but I was having, just like any other trader, some revenge trades, trying to get going at it. But here's a negative risk reward I was telling you about. So my profit is $24, my loss is $44, but because I have a better than 50% win rate, it's okay. It's not preferred. I need to get this up closer to 80% for this to be ideal for me. Says days win 100%. I don't get 2 days in a row, I guess I won, but I did take a loss on Monday for $104, which I was okay with, because at one point you could see I was down right about $700 on that trade, and then I started scaling up and got into the normal win rate there. My trade duration, you're talking about scalping, 85% of my trades are under 15 seconds. 1 to 2 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes, I got 88%, and 2 to 5 minutes, 76%. All my trades after 5 minutes are losers. So my majority of my trades are scalp trades as well that I like to take. So yeah, anything I held over 5 minutes, you can see is the loss. My best winners are over about 3 minutes. But just slow and steady. Like, I'll get there. Maybe if it takes me another 2 weeks to pass, and then another 2 weeks after that to get the funded. You know, it's $3,000 on a month. I mean, that's still pretty solid when you look at like your job or anything else that you do. You just got a $3,000 bonus on a month. Or, you know, if you're just trading the Asia session with us for an hour a night. So it's pretty solid. That's what I like to look at with mine.
And Mundo, feel free. I'm gonna post the Discord link here. Would like for you to come into the Discord if you're not already in there. We also trade on the Discord live. We have accountability in there. We help each other out. If you're struggling with something that you don't want to publicly say out here, we can walk through your trades, walk through your setup, see what you're looking at, help you dial in your strategy, right? Listen, we're no gurus, we don't know it all, but we're able to try to help where we can, right? So feel free to join us, right? And Savage, what was your winning trade percentage over there?
Just about 70%. It's light compared to my normal trade. Normal, I pulled my funded family futures. Let me see if I can get that one. That one's a little bit closer to where I'm at.
Look, I'm gonna share something. This is also a 3K challenge that I've been taking super small on, and I didn't even trade this tonight at all. I took one little trade just now just to get a number, you know, some green, so that way when I show it on the screen it looks green. But look, you seen Savages. Let me see. Oh, this is great. I'm gonna show some. Y'all don't talk about my trading now, but this is, you talk about scalping. I'm gonna show you something. This is my 3,000 challenge, right? It's only up 870, 888. Here it says 872 here. Win rate is 73%. 39 and 34. Super small base hits. I'm taking this one on, right? But of course, most profitable day was Wednesday. This is on Topstep. Days win is 50-50, profit factor 3.0. But yesterday I hit last night I got on after you guys streamed here. That's when I got done, so I went ahead and hit it. Mind you, this is where it gets interesting, right? My best trade is $88 because this one is, I'm trying to build the buffer, right, to go over 2,000. Now, my worst trade was 155. I don't hold these for long, right? But as you can see, I'm on a steady uptrend. If I hold more than 10 minutes, it's a loser. 5 minutes is a loser. 2 to 5 minutes is a loser. But anything under 2 minutes, everything is a 100% win rate. So I just take it, right? And look how long I've had this account since last Friday. I'm not even paying attention to it because I got other accounts. Look, I took 24 trades, little 1 micros. This has been all on 1 micros. As you can see, 1 trade here. 11 trades yesterday. I started doing it last night. I saw the market clear like I saw today. And actually today, if I would have took the same trade I took on stream on my other account, if I would have took it here, I would have been up, you know, $1,300 without a problem. So I trade also very, very easy. This, I was getting chopped up. Thankfully, I was getting chopped up with 1 micro and ended up in the green and just shut it down. This shows 4 trades because I was scalping in and out just to get in there, just to have something in the green. But nice and easy. Look, 800. I don't have a time limit. I'll take it easy. I'll take my $3,000 payout, and next month, by the end of next month, I'll have a $3,000 payout on top of everything else that I'm going to take out from the other firms. So it's just nice and easy, man. Don't rush yourself. Take it nice and easy. Again, this is just being completely transparent. We don't pretend or try to be gurus here. We're just being transparent. That's all we are. Oh my God, this is bulling.
It is bulling. You still in that long?
Oh my God, this is bulling.
You in that long?
No.
Why? It's gonna hit your target.
Bro. Guys. It's because I was on
Somebody
the phone.
come look at this. Somebody come look.
And
at
I
this.
had put a stop in place, right, of $100, right? But somebody, what was the entry here, guys? What was the entry right here? Right here, we're 80 points up, 200 and something points down, 80 points up. I can't do anything more for you guys, right? I may not be a guru, but this is one of the few traders that I had a conversation with somebody earlier, that they were like, oh, somebody celebrated on one of their streams that they caught a 100-point trade. Mind you, they're catching it with 10, 15 minis, but I catch 100-point trades on the regular.
Yep.
You know, 100-point trade. Like I told the person on the phone, I'm like, you want to impress me? Let me know when they're catching 200-300-point trades. This was a gimme. This was a gimme. I showed it. I was on the phone, but I showed it where we wanted to go long right here. Man, can I do something here?
What was your take profit area?
It doesn't. Oh, right here when I got almost sicked out, right? And they got it. Boom. That was the trade. Straight up. Straight up. You can't make this stuff up, man. You can't make this stuff up, and we're doing it live. The smallest channel on YouTube right now in the Asia stream. And to me, we're catching the most points throughout all of Asia. Nobody is catching more points than HFT here, live on Asia. Nobody. We're gonna clip that. That's what. Oh wait, but I gotta re-say that because I need my camera on because I gotta. Nobody is catching more points than HFT here on the Asia stream. 200 and something points down. The call was called out, almost 100 points up right now. Nobody is catching more points than HFT in the Asia stream.
Sure.
I'm gonna clip that. With the sad face. And as a matter of fact, I might voice over it, rewind it, put it to where I call the TP, all types of stuff, man. I just get excited. Even if I don't make the profits that I should have had earlier, I said it right when the trade was in. The fact that it makes the move that I'm looking at, the move that I'm seeing, that's enough for me because the object of trading is not the profits. I know we all want the profits. The object of trading is learning a skill set on how to read the charts that is going to give you the ability to make money. So the better you read the charts, the money is going to come regardless. Learn how to read the charts, take your entries, don't be scared, make the money. But this thing is about the boo. Listen, we got moves. We got moves up to 544. We got room to 544. So that would have been another 100-point trade from down here at the bottom. We got room to 544. I'm calling it right now. Don't mind me. I'm just hyped. We're going to BWAP.
I think
we're going to BWAP.
557 is where my target's at.
He's 557. Does that mean he is in a trade?
No, I'm not in a trade.
Not in a trade. But who's... Man, listen, man. I ain't gonna say nothing else because I'm getting hyped up. I gotta maintain my composure. My composure. We got room to 547, guys. 547. Letting you guys know right now we got room to 547. And actually, if this was to come down and retest the day's open, oh no, it ain't going. It ain't going. This is just gonna boo to the upside. So a little 5 lot on that, I would have been up $800 right now on a 5 lot.
I didn't realize my Discord was muted.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to talk to you earlier.
Who's got 50 micros on?
Yeah, this ain't gonna come back down for me. This is just gonna go straight up to VWAP. But who listen, man, guys, the education is free, the streaming is free, the Discord is free for now. Just trying to prove ourselves, but the Cash App is always open.
for your charity events, right?
Man, bro, I should have took that in the trade. Right over here. I should have took that over here somewhere. Look, everywhere you look, VWAP is the target. Doesn't matter what chart you're looking at. Matter of fact, starting next week, I'll trade that $3,000 challenge all the way to payout. Live on stream. I'm going to take that right to payout. Live on the stream.
Let's say if you want to flip over to my chart, I'll show you why I call the 558 area here. Is the fib retracement from the high to the low. You got the 61.8 zone here. You got this wick within the fair value gap. This is what I was talking about earlier. The wick that falls within the fair value gap is where I love to take the trade. So that's why I'm looking at that for the short. But your VWAP that sits right there is interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, the VWAP is just chilling. I guess I gotta activate my new card. Ah.
I'm not here to gamble. I'm here to earn this game. Hold it. Wait for the line. Feel it. Step it on time. No rush. No need to fight. I move with the night.
Here comes the little push down. Here comes the little push down.
There we go. I like that.
What you like?
Well done. Not.
What'd you do over there, Mr. Ocala Jr.? Well, how much you up over there?
600.
Come on. Oh, you went booling over there with 10 lot, huh?
I did. One account's up 400. The other one's 200.
Let's go.
So I tried to pull up my the FFF account where I passed my account on there, and I can't find the past account, but it was 5 days it took me to pass. And I was seeing the market really well this morning on it, so I smashed $2,000 trades on each of those final accounts to pass them. But the 4 days it took me to get up there, I was only making like $300 to $500 on those trades.
My entry is coming, guys. My entry is coming at the day's open. The day's open, I'm gonna take that trade right up to VWAP. This is gonna be my TP right up here, another $160. And my stop loss will be a close under my proprietary. Ooh, I almost just said what that was. I had to slow down there. That's the proprietary only for the Discord folks.
Gotta get on it.
Right there. That'll be my stop. A close under it, not a wick out. A close under here, which would be what? $40-50 or so? Yeah, I'll risk that all day. So this back. So I just close it. So I would love to get wicked in here. Again, look how much I've been trading today. 2 micros. 2 micros on every single trade. Actually, do I set a buy limit? Limit buy 2. What was 501? That's what I want. 501. Right there. So I'm going to take this on the challenge account. Just because I want a little wick down. Look how we respected the 9 here. The 9 here as well. It respected the 9. I wanted the days open. But let me see if I can get a wick in and then pump. On the challenge account for the 3,000. We're going to try to start trading this thing live. No risk, no robbery. I don't like robberies.
Just look at this FFF account. I need only 3 days to get a payout. I need $1,500, and then I can request $750.
Oh, nice.
So let's go for a $1,500 payment between these two accounts next week. And they pay fast too.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at
Somebody
that.
can look at this.
That would have been a quick scout. Just a quick scout. That's how I trade this account. But look at that. Come on. Come on. Right? Boom.
So
we're
right
in.
there.
We're in.
There.
We're in. Remember, this is a nasty candle right now.
It is a
Close
nasty
under
one.
here. And I'll be out.
What time frame you on? 5.
This is the 5, yeah. Boom. Now let's push up. Let's go to the 15 minute. And let's just push up. Let's just push up. Let's go ahead and push up. All the way up. Look at that. I bought resistance. Look at this. I bought resistance.
Look at that.
Come on, just go. This is the 15-minute 9 is what has me worried. The 5-minute 9 is not worrying me. So if we break up through here, there we go. Let's just have this nice little push. See, as I trade this account, I would have already been out. Just a few points. But let's see if we can hold this. No, I don't like how Topstep, their lines, unless you don't scroll in and then out.
Yeah, I think they're coming out with their own app. So I'm curious if that's going to fix some of those issues. But that's, yeah, because if you draw a trend line on like the daily and then you bring it to the 4 hour, it moves. Points aren't
Oh,
the same
the
spot.
5-minute proprietary was the entry. Did it at the days open.
Usually is.
Yeah. But look, you gotta scroll in and scroll out. Great call, W. Look, somebody took that already and already scout. They went heavy. Somebody sees that. When you see that, great call, W, that means they went heavy.
50 micros. And if you're going to be shooting for 50 micros, just go for 5 minis because you'll save money on your commissions.
Yeah, and that would have been here was ideal. Like you take five minis here, and it goes up 10 points. You're done.
Yep.
You're done. It's a quick $500 right there.
But the other thing is too is if you take 5 minis at your entry and it went down to your blue line, you'd have been done too.
Yeah. And I took it based on, like, I wasn't really looking. I just took it here based on the days open.
And you were sized appropriately too.
Yeah. I took it on the days open, and I said if it closes under that, right, which that should have been the entry. Look
at the
look
pump.
at this.
There it is.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Somebody come look at this.
You know what? Right there. That's it. That trade. Look. Hit the VWAP. Look. On the 5-minute. Now, I just scout that one on the challenge account. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I can't make this stuff up. This would be my last trade for the night. We've rocked every single trade. Rocked it.
Rick's killing it over here.
Bro, I gotta make up from yesterday, bro. I gotta make up from yesterday. So regardless to what happens to this trade, I'm gonna move this TP a little bit further down to 160 or a $52 win. One or the other is gonna happen.
I think it's 160. Not a betting man. But I like
JD, you
the
got
money
out
on it.
too early, sir. So So this would be my last trade for the night. Yeah, it was an awesome night. While being on the phone, while writing contracts, this is why I love trading, guys. Love this. Never loved a job so much aside from real estate and trading.
In ministry.
Oh, well, that's not a job.
Right.
I get to do ministry, right?
There
That's
you
a
go.
calling. So, listen, if you're in the Tampa Bay area, if you're in the Central Florida area, come visit us at church over in Tampa. We have a good time. Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Look at that pump straight up to it.
Come on, chat. Who in the chat took this? Come on. Type
Smack
of
a
W.
Come on.
Type of 1.
Smack like. Subscribe.
50% consistency. Oh, come on.
Right there. Tickle.
Look at this. Just wick. Just wick.
Tickle. Get it.
Just wick. You know what?
Close it.
Taking so long, I'm not gonna let it take a $50. I'll take 100 from it. Bro, did that wick and it didn't get me out?
Yeah, it did. Live on stream.
God.
Yeah, look at
God.
your
Look at
put
this.
your mouse below that and see what the high of that candle was.
540. But look, it wicked into 541.75. That was live right there, guys. So you know what I'll do? I'm gonna close that. Wait, what happened here? Wait,
You gotta close your whole. You gotta close your whole trade.
Oh, cause it's down here.
Yeah.
Oh wait. It was down there. Gimme. I forgot that it was down here.
Close it. It went through it.
So that's a W trade right there. Right there. Look at that squeeze. Squeeze in the market. Come on. Push. Right there. Trade complete.
There it goes. Good work.
Trade complete. Somebody come look at this. Guys, share the stream. Help us get to 500 subs, guys. Help us get to 500 subs. Y'all seeing this? We doing this live. Told y'all. Way over here that this is where we're going. Quick scout. I was another 44 points. So,
I think you only showed him how to. You gave him. Let's see. Where did you enter? You entered here. So you gave him 150 down and another 100 up. Yeah. Gave him 250.
250 points called out tonight live. Listen, I love this. Tomorrow's our last night for the week. Tomorrow's my last night for a whole nother week. I need everybody to come in here and trade with Savage.
Yeah, you gotta give me some content because I need some help in keeping the voice rolling.
Yeah. Bro, you hear it. I just roll with it, man. I just talk about you hear it, the day, the everything. It doesn't it is what it is, man. But next week, tomorrow we'll be here. Next week, Savage will be here. Yeah, that's actually a great idea. You can bring JD on, interview him. Even if you don't gotta show your face if you don't want to show your face.
I want Nitty on. I want Nitty on too.
Have Nitty on. Have JD on.
Nitty.
You know what? Have Doc in for a little session of a medical something. I don't know. But man, I appreciate everybody showing up. I appreciate everybody showing love every single day. We do this for you guys. We're trying to teach you a skill set that can literally set you free from stress. And this thing is gonna still go. I hit an Asia high. But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody coming in. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. We're gonna leave you with, and listen, I hope you guys are enjoying the Bible scriptures that come up on the screen every day. That's for encouragement. Just in case y'all didn't know, for those new folks, this is Highly Favored Trading. We're highly favored because of the Lord Jesus Christ, and I live my days sacrificial to him, so he turns around and blesses us. But we're gonna leave you with Savage's words of wisdom, and then we'll close it out for the night.
Dial in, trust the process. Every disciplined trade builds confidence. Every patient trade builds faith.
Come on. Bro, don't forget to do the Savage's words of wisdom next week.
I got you.
That's why people tune in. It's for the Savage's words of wisdom.
Wisdom.
Come on.
Make some shorts on that. Speaking of shorts, mine is going to be coming up here soon. 29,558.
29,558. You guys heard it. We're gonna go ahead and jump off the stream. Have a blessed night, everybody.
Appreciate you.
Remember, be grateful for every day you are above the earth and not under it. So we'll see you guys here tomorrow.
Later.
Late night. Asia session. Screens glow soft, Tokyo awake. Coffee on the desk, charts don't shake. I wait my turn, I know the zones. Hands stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the move. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, God